Hey everyone, this is Leo Sands. For today's video, I want to target mainly the newcomers, the beginners, how to do stocks, and maybe show you how I get it started. Show you the best way and maybe the easiest way. I mean, there's a lot of ways you could get it started doing stocks, but I mean, you can go pay the professionals a lot of money. Schools, they'll teach you, but you gotta pay a lot of money. But what I'm about to show you, it's all free. It's all free. I mean, I'm not the best, I mean, I'm still learning every day. It's a learning process every day, no matter how many years you trade. I've been training over 2 years at least. I've been down that road, as a beginner. Don't know what I was doing. I have no clue what I was looking at. I've lost. I've lost. I mean, nobody never taught me much. They showed me a few little things, say this, that, but for the most part, I did everything by myself. And for right now to give back, I'm gonna show you what I've learned and hopefully help everybody, because that's what I like to do. I like to be humble and just help out who wants to, who's motivated, who wants to make some money. Now it's not a guarantee now. Okay, don't take my word for it. But what I'm doing looks it's consistency. And I've been doing it pretty good. From the past. I learned from a lot of what I've lost, and I'm up pretty good. And for anytime we get in stocks, I always tell members and friends, hey, this is why it's good to get in. I don't just tell, hey, get in this stock, buy it right now. No, I don't do that. So you have a lot of tools and you have a lot of options. We have Penny Stock Trade Leo, the Facebook Discord group, and I also have a Trading Stock Solutions Discord chat. It's a good chat room for stocks. It's recommended if you're doing stocks. I mean, I'm not the founder of this chat room. It's Trading Stock Solution. I'm not the founder. They just let me moderate it. And we have a lot of rooms, main chat, penny chat. I have this my own little room. Only I post it. So only I post it. So anytime I get in stocks, I post it here, for swing trade, whatever. And I always give my reasons, For example, this ticker TCCO, my new swing position. I tell why it's gonna run, on the 2 mil float, the oversold, the crossover. I give a chart too, Let me get a bigger chart. So this is the TCCO chart, and I drew a trend line for everybody to see, It's the crossover here, it's the crossover price action. So that tell you when they sell so much, see the RSI, it's oversold, MACD is cutting up, and there's a crossover. So when that happens, I always seen it time and time again. When that happens, it runs. Sometimes you might wait a little bit longer. Sometimes it runs the next day. So that depends. But the point is, it's gonna run. And so when you see this thing, you get in early and just wait. And that's the beauty of it. You just get in early and wait, and you make money. That's it. That's swing trade. Now day trade is a little bit tricky. Day trade is the same thing as swing trade, except it happened quicker. It happened in a minute, in 5 minutes. This day trade, you have to be there to watch the market. But for those who cannot really watch the market, swing trade is the best. So like I said, you have all these tools and functions and help. TCCO, when I learned the room, it was sitting at 450s, 460s. I got in 465. See how much it run. And I mean, this is my entry right here. Let me see. See my entry right here. I made well over $1,000 on that. See, 465, well over $1,000. It was at 9.95 when I made 1.2k. I sold at $6, so I made about 1.4k. Just swinging this at lows. That's what I do. I try to find the lowest point and I get in. Let me see something. Okay, so let's see. So this is the previous chart for TCO. So let's look at the chart after that. When it did ran. Let's see if I was correct. So there you go. This is the same sticker. See this crossover I circle on the other chart, and then Thursday it just ran up to $6. Okay, and my platform right here. This is what I use to watch stocks move in real time. TCO. I mean Thursday when I called it right around here, I didn't get it right at 430 or 450, but I got it pretty low. 465 still low. It ran up to $6, but I was on the TV. I didn't think it's gonna run that soon, but it ran really soon. I was able to sell it pre-market right here at $6, and after that it dropped. Friday it just dropped. But you know, that's not the point, because even if it does drop to like 550, 560, I'll still make money because my entry was 465. And you know, I mean, like I said, I learned the room way before it ran. So that's the upside to that. See that? I mean, I learned about Amada too. AM, see, I'm a new swing AMDA, and I made about $500 on that. You know, and I posted on my entry and stuff. What's it at? There you go. My Amada. See that? I mean, my entry was 114. I sold at 159. I didn't sell at the highs, but it's $500 some. Who wouldn't take it? You know. So I sold that. You know, that's Amada right here. See, when I learned, I got in Wednesday or so, and then Thursday it just gapped up to 174. See that? 174. I saw one, like I said, 159. So see, this is what I do. I try to get it early. Okay, that's just one example. And you know, sometimes when I see it coming, I try to alert the room 1 week in advance. You know, like for example, on Sunday I alerted maybe 3 tickers. Let me see something right here. I alerted TENX, TENX, or XII, and BSPM. Let's look back if it did run. Let's see if I'm correct. So I alerted Sunday, and I told him the week of, which is Monday through the 4th, to watch those 3 tickers. So let's check TENX. So 430th. So 430 was sitting right, like right here. Yep. 430. It was like $6.20, $6.20, and then Thursday or Wednesday it just ran up to $7. So that's money making right there, you know. So I was running this one. That's some good money from 620 to 720. That's a whole dollar gain. And let me see what's the other BSPM. BSPM, same thing with BSPM, sitting right under $2, you know. And look at that, from $2 up to 407. That's like 20. That's like a whole 200% gains right there. That's some money right there if you have a lot of shares. And RSI, I think RSI was a loss. I took a loss in that one. But you can't be right on everything, you know. You gotta, sometimes when you lose, you gotta see why you lose so you can learn from it. That's how I learn from it. Anything. Why it run, why it pop. So, you know, I mean, and maybe the other day I had learned the room about WMLP, and one of member thanked me for, you know, email going for a while, because I learned at the lows. Yeah, right here. I did a chart. I see 425 there, and I clicked, you know, I learned $1, 104 right here. And let me see something. Let me get you a chart, WMLP chart for you guys to see. So yep, see, I learned right here. I was watching it and I see it and I say, hey, this is gonna run. Like I do the same concept. You know, I'm a technical trader, so I look at what technical trader is. We look for the patterns of these candlesticks, red, green candlesticks. I look at the daily to see how it's going, the patterns. And when I see it, I drew a little trend lines and I watch it closely. And I mean, I just see it. You know, I'm not right all the time, but I think I'm close to 80 to 90% correct so far. You know, when I look at this, it ran from $1 up to almost $2. That's a lot of money. Okay, I mean, that's just some examples I do. You know, and you know, if you have any question or you're just curious about anything, you know, I can try my best to help you guys. You know, like I said, we have a good team, a good member of in this chat room. You know, I hope y'all come join and talk about it. You know, it's very interesting. You know, it's mainly for people who's motivated, who wants to make money, who wants to learn. It's not easy, I'll tell you that. You know, I'll tell you that it's hard. You know, you're gonna lose some money. You know, but for the most part, you stay focused. I think you're much more safer if you just play my plays. You know, because I don't want to lose money. Because if y'all lose money, I'll lose money too. Because any stocks that I play and I pick, it's highly recommended. You know, but you know, even though it's highly recommended, I sometimes, you know, like I said, you know, we can't win all the time. I mean, just Thursday alone, Friday alone, I learned DHCP around 590s. Let me see DHCP. There you go. I mean, I learned the room, and I'm already making money. It's around $6.40. It's holding up. So Monday, Tuesday, it shoot up. And another stocks I see potential is CVRS. I learned and I got in. I told you my reasons. The chart's right here. Let me get a better. Hold up. Any stocks I get in, like I said, I always tell you everybody the reason. See, anytime it crossover, it run in the past. You know, this is the past chart. Anytime it run over, crossover, run, crossover here, run, and now look, it's coming down again. And this is the latest chart right here. I posted this in late afternoon when I seen this, and that's, to me, I predicted because I see it drop like this. You see that? And the wick is, the candlestick is getting forming small, and the strong support at $1 right here. It's getting toward oversold. MACD wants to curve up right here, you know. And so this is why I got in. And then as the day closed on Friday, it's even better because I updated the candlestick, and now the closing, it's a green doji. So that's tell you that's a good chance of reversal coming. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if news or anything come up Monday or Tuesday, but I'll definitely get out before aftermarket on Tuesday because that's an earning Tuesday. I don't want to risk that. You know, it's 50-50 when you get in stock for earnings. If it's bad earnings, that's it, it's gonna drop. Good earnings, it's gonna pop. You really don't know if earnings are good or bad because only for insiders. So yeah, you have all these tools, and y'all have all these help, you know. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You know, I try to do my best to answer it all. Every day is a learning process. You know, it's every day is a learning process. But like I said, don't give up. You know, it's don't give up and just keep moving forward. You know, I've lost a lot of money before. You know, I never gave up. You know. So you have any more questions, just ask me. That's about it for my video. Maybe my next video I can show you guys how to scan, how to find stocks that's worth looking at, you know. So that's it for me. Thank you.